Save time and money during your remote visual inspections by renting ViewTech's VJ3 articulating video borescope. With an extensive line of rental video borescopes, all versions, diameters, and lengths of ViewTech borescopes are available to rent. ViewTech's borescopes have diameters that are a fraction of an inch and range from 2.2 millimeters to 6 millimeters, or 78 thousandths of an inch to 237 thousandths of an inch, and insertion tube lengths ranging from 1 meter up to 8 meters, or 3 feet 3 inches to 26 feet 2 inches. Additional rental borescope options include the infrared, the ultraviolet, the far focus, and the dual camera video borescopes. Technicians in any industry who need to access the smallest areas will find our immediate availability of borescopes and expedited shipping as the best option when searching for a video borescope to rent. Whether you need a rental borescope for a day, week, or even months, the borescope experts at ViewTech can help. Our video borescopes deliver all the features you would expect in a high-quality rental borescope and at pricing that makes it accessible to all industries and applications. In addition, ViewTech's borescope rental fees paid by our clients are banked towards an outright future borescope purchase. Call to speak with one of our knowledgeable video borescope experts and we will help find the best rental borescope for your inspection needs. You will quickly realize why ViewTech Borescopes is the #1 seller of video borescopes in North America.